In this tutorial I will show you how to create 3D eye emoji design in Stylar. Go to Stylar. Link in description. Create a free account. Then click on New Project. Choose Aspect Ratio, click on Apply. Click here, upload your image. From the left side, choose Image to Image. Click on Styles and choose 3D Rendering. Click on Auto Prompt. Then click on Stylar Eyes. Here are the result. Wow, it's really amazing. You can download it by clicking on this icon. If you want more eye tutorials, let me know in comments below. Thanks for watching.